will private LTE replace Wi-Fi in the future? And I think, David's example here is an example of how those can work in parallel. So I'm interested in your take, Alex. Do you think private LTE will ultimately take over Wi-Fi or not? What are your thoughts?
The answer is no. There will be a blended aggregation of both technologies within, and this is actually this question bleeds into our strategy, how we see private LTE.
Sure.
For us, for Telrad, we see private LTE as a beyond Wi-Fi technology. By any means, not a replacement, but augmentation. Those two run side by side. There is billions of Wi-Fi devices, and there's only a few hundred of CBRS, let's say, LTE devices. You cannot replace it, but together they do run very well. Remember that many of the same handhelds contain both modems, both technologies, and Wi-Fi and CBRS. So they are very complementary to each other.